Hello, I wanted to introduce to you a new product by Weha USA. It's a new countertop film, protective film for all the surfaces of marble, granite, quartz. It can protect wood, it can protect glass as well. You go and install a countertop and you leave the countertop there. Who knows what else comes in behind you? You're going to have electricians, you're going to have plumbers, you're going to have painters standing on them, having ladders on there, using with workbenches and whatever the case may be. And as you can see, what we've come up with is a way to say caution, do not step, stand, or place anything on the surfaces. We have this in both English as well as in Spanish, so that no matter what tradesman comes in there, they will be able to read it. Additionally, if you look the way that we have printed it, when you roll it out, it is both at angles and different directions. So no matter whether you're laying it out this way, laying it out this way, or this way, or this way, no matter how you lay the film, it will be legible from any angle of the kitchen. We've also produced it in two different colors, blue and clear. The blue is with white writing, the clear is with red writing. And which one do you use? A lot of that is preference and perhaps the stone that you're using. On this marble, the red stands out really, really nicely. Here is with blue as an option. This is a dark piece of granite. This is with the red. This is with the blue. So it goes back to your preference and the type of stone that you're using it with. One question regarding this is, does it bleed into the stone? The answer to that is no. We have tested extensively, and also the way that it's made. This is actually a 4-layer protective film, so that the printing is moved away from any surface. The ink will never touch the surface, so that you don't have to worry about it bleeding onto the stones. When we decided to build it, we went with a 25.5-inch roll. The reason being is when you end up having your countertop, your standard kitchen, when you have a 3 cm backsplash, that 3 cm, the 25.5-inch will roll over your edge. If you have 2 cm backsplash, it will cover the entire horizontal surface. So everything horizontal will be covered by the 25.5-inch roll. Also, it comes in 600-foot rolls. And regarding the thickness of them, we know that in the industry there's some very thin ones that's less than a 0.5 millimeter, some are 1.5 millimeter, 2.5, and 3 millimeter. After our testing, the 2.5 millimeter seems to be the right choice. It's very durable, it's cost effective as well, and it can take the beatings of people putting things on them, whether it is tools or ladders or whatever the case may be. Not that we want to do it, but if they're going to do it, at least we can have additional protection for those services. This goes on, you're warning every other trade that comes in there. Perhaps you're talking with a general contractor and saying, we protected this top, we've put caution warnings on there for no other trade to put on them. And then if it's scratched, then that's the responsibility of either the other trade or the general contractor. Hopefully this will help reduce a few of the issues that come in, and perhaps reduce some ladders being put on the countertops that we see on Facebook and those kind of things. Boxes. Each 600-foot roll comes in its own individual box. We've clearly marked it, obviously the blue with the white. Here is our clear with the red writing. Also, each box is marked with their dimensions as well as blue check. This one has the clear check mark. And of course, there's a QR code that you can go straight to our website if you want to repurchase more or to get more information, specifications, dimensions, those kind of things as well if you forget. So I hope that this is a good product for you as fabricators to really be able to sell these, protect your countertop, and reduce that liability after you leave the job site. Hope you like it.